So I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. So you're going to go to youtube.com and then you're going to click sign in. And you should have gotten an email from us with the information for the VJIC channel on YouTube. So type that information in here, click sign in, and then you're going to go to the top and just click upload. And here you just select the video file that you've created. And I'm just going to do a video footnote that I created here, an example. Okay, and as YouTube works on this video, you can go ahead and come in here and change some of this information. We need you to make sure that the privacy setting is set to public. The category should be education. You can tag it with separate tags if you'd like. We would highly recommend adding a description. And then for the title, again, just like on the VJIC WordPress site, we need to make sure that the title starts with your last name. So for me, I'm going to do Dahlgren, and then you can add any title that makes sense for you. So I'm going to do video footnote, example. Okay, and again, a description is great, but I'm going to leave that blank for now. And then you can just click the thumbnail that you like the best. I'm going to click the one where I'm smiling here. And then I can hit Save Changes. Okay, and that is now uploaded. So there's two ways to add this video or animation or audio type content that you've uploaded to YouTube to your manuscript. You can either embed it, which looks something like this. Kind of in the text of your manuscript, there'll be a window embedded in there, and people can actually click on that to play directly inside of here. That's called an embedded video. The other way to do it is what we'd like you to do for video footnotes, and that is that you will insert a little, basically a thumbnail. In this case, for video footnotes, it'll be a little image that we're asking you to use. And when people click on that, it will pop up a window where the video will be accessible. You can play it from there. So the first one we're going to show you how to do is how to embed, how to do one of these embedded videos. So I'm looking at my manuscript page on the WordPress site, and I need to figure out where it is I want to embed this video. So, right now I'm in the visual tab, and I'm just kind of, trying to figure out where I want to put it here. So I'm going to just add a paragraph here, and I'm going to type something in that I can find really easily. Here. See if that works, okay? Because what I'm going to do now, I'm going to update it, and then I'm going to look at the HTML code. Okay, so I'm going to switch from visual to HTML, and I need to try to find that little marker that I placed in there, okay, because that's where I want to embed my video. And then what I need to do next is I need to find the embed code, which is on the manuscript guidelines and tutorials. So this is the video that you're watching right now. And here's the HTML codes referenced in the tutorial. So I need to find where it says insert the following code to embed your video. So I'm going to grab this code and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to switch back over to the page I was editing, and in the HTML window I'm going to put this code here. Okay, so I'm now going to paste. Okay, now if you look back there, you'll notice this is the magic code that you need to replace with your video. So now what you need to do is go back to YouTube and figure out what the URL for your video is. And there's a bunch of different places to find this. You can, if you're just viewing your video, find where it says share and you'll find a URL for it. You can actually find it in the URL up here. It's this code right here. Okay, so it's, let's see, 11 digits, I think. And that's a unique code for your video. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to flip back over to the page I was editing, and that's going to go right here. Okay, Then I'm going to update this. And then when I flip back over to visual, we should just have a window in here. Okay, it's not going to actually play the video until I view the page. But you know, this is a good sign if you have this yellow box. Okay, so now when I view the page, what I will see is the video is embedded here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to insert a video footnote. So I'm back here on the editing page in the WordPress site for my manuscript, okay? And I'm in the visual tab, and I'm going to find a place where I want to insert a video footnote, okay? So again, I need to kind of create myself a placeholder here so I can find it in the HTML. So I'm just going to type here with lots of exclamation points so I can find it. I'm going to flip over to HTML, and I'm going to look for that word here. Here we go. Okay, so that's where I'm going to put it. Now I need to grab the code from the tutorial. So I'm going to go to the tutorial, and I'm going to grab this second bit of code here, the one that says how to insert the following code to create a video footnote. So I'm going to copy this, go back over to here, and I'm going to paste. Okay, and then the word code here is where you're going to place your YouTube code. So I'm going to flip back over to YouTube. Okay, and here's another way to find your code. If you're viewing your video, you can click on share, and this URL that pops up, it's this 11-digit code that you need. Not the whole thing, not the whole URL, but just, darn it, just this last little bit here. Wow, it really doesn't want me to grab just that. Well, let's see. Well, I can grab it from up here. Okay, so it's that 11-digit code. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to flip back over here, and I'm going to paste. Okay, and then when I hit update, I should be able to see it visually here. Let's scroll down. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. There it is. Okay, and if I view the page, I not only see it, but I can click on it, and it pops up this video. Okay, so that's it. If you need help, please email us, and we'll walk you through it. All right, thanks.